Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you an easy solution to bypass FRP on all OPPO and Realme phones running Android 15 and Android 16. As you can see, the Google Lock icon is showing on the screen. I will show you a simple way to remove it. You can easily bypass FRP at home without a SIM card, without any Bluetooth app, and without a PC. This method is very simple, so make sure you watch the video until the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network because a Wi-Fi connection is required for the FRP bypass process. After connecting to Wi-Fi, I will also show you that the phone is completely FRP locked. Whenever you watch an FRP video, always check for the lock icon. If the lock icon appears, it means the phone is FRP locked. As you can see, the lock icon is visible on my phone too. Now tap on Don't Copy. After that, the phone may ask for the old pattern, PIN, or password. I have tried many patterns, but I do not remember the correct one. If I close it, the phone asks for the previously synced Google account, which I do not know either. That is why we will bypass it. Now go back to the Wi-Fi settings. The Wi-Fi network that you connected earlier should be forgotten. Make sure the phone is no longer connected to Wi-Fi. After that, restart the phone. I have restarted the phone and you should do the same. Once the phone turns on, go through the setup process again. Select English as the language, tap Next, and choose any region you like. Continue through the setup. As you can see, the lock icon is still there, which means the phone is still FRP locked. Now you will need another phone. I am using a Vivo phone, but you can use any second phone. Turn on the hotspot on the second phone and connect the locked OPPO or Realme phone to that hotspot. Once connected, save the network and make sure the connection is successful. After the phone connects to the hotspot, turn the hotspot off and tap Next. If the phone does not move past the Google account verification screen, go back and repeat the process. Turn the hotspot on again. Reconnect, turn it off, and tap Next. You may need to try several times. Timing is important. After multiple attempts, the phone should move past the Google account verification screen. As you can see, it has now gone beyond the Google account page. The lock icon may still appear temporarily, but it will be removed later. Continue the setup process. Accept the terms and conditions. Skip the pattern lock setup if asked. Choose your navigation settings and tap Done. Once you reach the ColorOS welcome screen, tap Get Started and your home screen will open.
This is how FRP is removed on OPPO and Realme phones running Android 15 and Android 16. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also leave a comment below the video. I will see you in the next video.